Former Deputy Chief Minister Dr. Ashwath Narayana led a protest march at Freedom Park along with the party functionaries and party workers this afternoon. He blamed the Congress-led government in the state as for witch hunting. He blamed the Chief Minister for using derogatory remark against the constitutional authority, the Governor of Karnataka. He blamed not just the Chief Minister but also the entire cabinet colleagues of Siddaramaiah and the party functionaries against the use of derogatory language against the governor.
ಸರ್ಕಾರಕ್ಕೆ ಹೈವಾನ್ ದಿಸಾಜಾಗೆ ಕಳ್ಳ ಹೈವಾನ್ ದಿಸಾಜಾಗೆ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಿ ಹೈವಾನ್ ದಿಸಾಜಾಗೆ ಬಾಂಗ್ಲಾದೇಶಿ ಹೈವಾನ್ ದಿಸಾಜಾಗೆ ಭಾರತ್ ಮಾತಾ ಕಿ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ಸೈಟು ರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯ ಅಲ್ಲ ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಿ, ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆಯನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ. ಆತ್ಮೀಯ ಕಾರ್ಯಕರ್ತರೇ, ಇವರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂಡಿಗಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಜನರ ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮತೆಯನ್ನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನು ಗೌರವಿಸುವಂತ ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹೋಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಪ್ರಜಾಪ್ರಭುತ್ವದ ವಿರುದ್ಧವಾಗಿದ್ದಾರೆ.
बोलो भारत माता के, बोलो भारत माता के.
Siddaramaiah took shelter of court and derogatory remarks made against Governor and the Congress rebels. How would you react to all these conditions? The BJP is still on.
He has taken a cover of shamelessness. Nobody has given him shelter. Only Congress party has given him shelter. Congress MLAs have given him shelter. And insensible, no conscience, no right to speak about any justice, is completely against the law of the land. Such a shameless chief minister is taking a shelter of corruption and insensitive to law of the land. Probably in this direction, since he has got no respect for the law, is continuing without no shame. Let them blame. I have got no shame is the motto on the stand of this present chief minister.
And the attack on Governor, the way they are attacking Governor.
Yes, openly they have been threatening. I think they should have been booked under the TADA. They should have been sent. They should have been booked and sent to the jail. Whoever has given inflammatory statement that like a Bangladesh-like situation will be created in Karnataka. Many of the ministers, many of the MLAs, lawmakers have made this statement. The police department, suo moto, they should book cases against these people to show that the law of the land is respected and protected, and people will be protected and the state will be protected.
ರಾಜೀನಾಮೆ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು.
Thank you.